everyone, it's great to see you. I'm outside once again with my hydrangeas, looking them over, getting them ready for winter. One of the questions that I hear a lot about hydrangeas are, well, can I just take them inside for the winter? We know we want them to bloom beautifully come spring. So at first it might seem to make sense to bring them in your house. I mean, hey, what's the worst that happens, right? They just bloom inside and that's more flowers. Well, the truth is it won't work. Hydrangeas have to have a set chill period each season, each year, so that they then bloom in spring. This is a lot like daffodil bulbs or tulips, where you put your bulbs in the ground in the fall and they sit there through the winter. That's their chill time, and then they bloom in the spring. Just like those, hydrangeas have to have a number of chill hours in order to bloom the next year. So you could carry in your bag or your pot with your hydrangea. It won't kill your plant. It just isn't going to bloom. And that is the whole reason that we love those hydrangeas. Now, a hydrangea typically needs about 1,000 chill hours. That's about 8 weeks, give or take. And for a long time, that's sort of been the go-to number. I was fortunate enough to hear Mal Condon, the hydrangea whisperer, give a talk on hydrangeas at Cape Cod. And he said that from his observations, looking at hydrangeas, he thinks that's actually on the high side, and you actually could get away with a shorter chill time, or about 250 hours. That's more like a typical tulip bulb needs. So I suppose if you were really, really brave, somehow you could get a grow light in your refrigerator and stick one in your refrigerator, and I'm telling you, not worth your effort. It needs to have its chill time outside. Now, there is a caveat to that. Sometimes you have a circumstance like you're bringing your wonderful hydrangea to a new house and you're in the process of moving and the hydrangea has to come inside for that winter. It won't bloom that year, but at least it will be alive in the next place that you are going to be in. The other thing you might consider is we are really protecting those little baby hydrangea that we propagated. You can't leave out those little propagations to too harsh a weather. I put mine in the unheated garage and I've had good luck with them blooming the next year, so I don't want to give that up. But the truth is, I could, if I wanted to keep my eye on them really, really carefully, bring in my little pot with my propagated hydrangea, keep it inside, keep it alive until it goes out the next year. It wouldn't bloom that year, but it would have a year of growth there, which would be good for it. So I'm sorry, you can't bring your hydrangea inside in that nice heat that you have. This is also why those of you, my southern friends, who want to grow macrophylla hydrangeas, you might struggle with that. You just don't have enough chill hours for a macrophylla hydrangea to be really, really happy. But you know what? Sometimes it's worth giving it a try. So see what you can get away with, those of you down in warmer zones. And for those of you that are up here where it's cold, let your hydrangeas get cold. This chill time here only counts if it's between right above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, so around 34 to 45 degrees. If you have a day that's above that, it doesn't count towards their chill hours. Okay, well, I hope that helped answer some questions, and good luck for whatever you decide to do with your hydrangeas. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.